Content: 1. Cookery. 2. Dried red chilies. 3. Green chilies. 4. Capsicum chilies. 5. Bell peppers. 6. Coriander seeds. 7. Cumin. 8. Sweet cumin. Maduro. 9. Turmeric. Kaha. 10. Fenugreek. Ulul. 11. Cinnamon. Kurudu. 12. Cloves. Caribou. 13. Cardamoms. Nasal. Karadamungu. 14. Mustard. Abba. 15. Garlic. Sudalurnu. 16. Ginger. Inguru. 17. Curry leaves. Carapinka. 18. Rampa. Pandanus. 19. Lemongrass. Sarah. 20. Red onion. Ratulunu. 21. Madras onion. 22. Bombay onion. 23. Nutmeg. Sadika. 24. Mace. Wasawasi. 25. Aromatic ginger. Agurupuli. 26. Mint. Minchi. 27. Parsley. 28. Celery. Celery. 29. Fennel. Mahadoru Injuru. 30. Peppers. Curry ingredients using in Sri Lanka. 1. Cookery. Smallest variety. Use it fresh or dried form. Pickle or jardi. Rarely use in curries but in rural area. Reason: 1. High in pungency. 2. Lacking color. Ground with coconut prepare sambal or lunami rice. Eaten with boiled jackfruit and breadfruit. If cookery use in chutney or pickle, no red chili or peppercorn is used. Cookery give necessary pungency. Used in pungency roast beef. Dried and ground. 2. Dried red chilies. Commonly used in making curries. Green chilies allow to ripe on the tree, dried, ground or powdered with seeds. Give bright red color to curry. Chili powder are used in almost all the curries. Excessive use of chilies are not advisable. Used as temper. Chili pieces fried in oil. Used as appetizer. Starter used as sauce preparation. Sambal olek. 3. Green chilies. Chili before ripen stage. Thinner, darker, greener or high in pungency. Used for all white curries. Without red chili powder. Some curries use 50-50 with red chilies. Used in fresh sambal and malam. Ground fine with coconut, chutney, thosai or idalia. Can be stored in sun-dried, brine solution or acid. Deep fried and used as an appetizer. 4. Capsicum chilies. Not commonly used in curry making. Reason: 1. Costly. 2. Not insufficient pungency. Used as white curries of invalid in children. Used in salads making. Popular curries with plain or stuffed meat, fish and vegetable. Used as short heat with fried, stuffed and protective covering. 5. Bell peppers. Thick pericarp. Rarely used in curries. Used as a vegetable due to its lack of pungency. Popular demand for salads due to color and texture. Used as a cayenne pepper, paprika, dried and powdered. Pimento puree. Kebab, stuffing, stir-frying, sauté with meat, grilled. 6. Coriander seeds. All part of the coriander plant are used for culinary purpose. Essential oil, aromatic odor and taste of coriander. 2 varieties, small and large. Small one is stronger. Seeds from tropics have better aroma than coldest countries. Seeds ground and used for almost all meat, fish and vegetable curries. Depending on preparation, coriander powder can be used as raw or roasted. Use 2 to 4 teaspoons per pound of main ingredient. Leaves can be fried and garnished for dishes. 7. Cumin. Seeds is referred in different names. Smale cumin, black cumin, cumin. Fine variety. It has an aromatic odor and somewhat bitter in taste. Always use as moderate not to override main food item flavor. For the curries, use as powder form. Indian cooking, use as grain. Uses: pickle, cheese, seasoning for breads and cake. Stimulant and carminative effect. Stomachache and useful in diarrhea. Volatile oil in cumin is used in perfume, cordials, liqueur. 8. Sweet cumin. Maduro. Seeds is referred in different names. Sweet cumin, big cumin, white cumin. It gives sweetish flavor. Use in combination with coriander, black cumin for curries, pickle, chutney, sauces. Used for sweet meal preparation. Used in some Indian curries due to its sweetish pleasant aroma. Equal proportion of sweet cumin and coriander powder is not used in curry making. But in India, fresh cumin leaves uses for sambal. ground and used as a thickening agent. 9. Turmeric, kaha. It is rhizome, erroneously referred as saffron, essential ingredient in all white curries to give the color. In some causes meat and duck curries turmeric is omitted. No special flavor, used to remove strong odor of fish together with lime or burraka. It uses in every curries as it does not give much flavor. Other uses: stomachache and carminative effect, neutral effect to curry, added medicinal value, purifying substance, disinfection effect, chickenpox. 10. Fenugreek, ulul, small brown, square-shaped seeds. It is fairly strong odor and bitter taste. To avoid too strong flavor, unroasted and used in meat, fish and vegetable curries. Added to white gravy to gain required body. Boiled sufficiently to gain the slimy texture. Other usage: hair oil, beauty treatment for skin. Seed soak overnight and boiled with lime is used for dandruff treatment. 11. Cinnamon, kurudu, outer bark of cinnamon tree. Finer the bark, high in quality of the cinnamon. It has sweet aromatic taste and pleasing fragrant odor. Used in fish, meat and vegetable curries. Not used in malam and sambal. Inch-long slice for pound of curry. Used in dessert preparation due to its pleasant flavor and odor. Condiment in fragrant powder. Used as a medical drink with coriander and tea. 12. Cloves, caribou, unopened flower bud picked when the base turned into red. Clove stem used to culinary purpose. Dried form is used. It is strong aromatic odor and hot pungent aromatic taste. As flavor is sharp, use in moderate. Cloves should be bruised and add to curry. Mainly used in fish or meat curry. 1 to 2 cloves per pound of curry. Other usage: medical usage, clove oil is used. 13. Cardamoms, nasal, cardamungu, pods of aromatic reed. It is harvested when green and sun-dried. Pods contain several seed with aroma and aromatic taste, slightly in pungency. Assages, meat, fish, vegetable, sambal preparation. Widely used in sweet meals powder. Ingredient in fragrant powder. Ingredient of chibetel. 14. Mustard, abba, 2 variety. Black mustard, high in irritating and pungency. White or yellow mustard, mild in pungency. Black mustard is sharp, piercing, irritating and pungent taste. Mustard are used. Pickle chutney, meat, fish, vegetable curries. It is used finely ground with vinegar and used seed use. With onion, curry leaves and dried chili for tempering. Commercially mustard cream available in market. 15. Garlic, sudalurnu. All belong to onion family. It is high and pungent with piercing flavor. When it is chopped and fried, it gives more pronounced flavor. Used all meat and fish curries and in sambal. Minimum use for vegetable curries. Generally 3 to 4 clove of garlic per pound of curry. Little more use of garlic, not ruin the flavor like other condiment. It has diuretic effect and prevent flatulence and rheumatic pain. Roasted garlic with honey. Garlic curry. 16. Ginger, inguru. It is a rhizome, 2 variety. 1. Sri Lankan variety. 2. Chinese variety. 1. Sri Lankan variety. Very pungent. Thin finger-like variety. Fibrous. Used in fresh and dried form. Fresh form as fresh, slice, ground, chopped. In curries, chutney, pickle, sambal. Dried form. Cured and sun-dried. Sweet meals. Drinks. 2. Chinese or Canton ginger. Fiberless. Tender. Larger than other, 1 inch to 2 inches. Mild pungency. Used for preparation of preservers. Ginger in syrup, candied ginge. 17. Curry leaves. Carapinka. Have many varieties. Used fresh in meat, fish, vegetable curries and sambo. Rarely used in dry form as it is freely available. Distinctive flavor and aroma. Frying gives wetting, stimulate appetite. When curry preparation, it fried in oil and add other curry ingredient. Finely shredded and add to curry to give more pronounced flavor. More can be used without any harmful effect. 18. Rampa, pandanus. Thin long leaves. When frying and heated in pan gives strong aroma, as it is contain volatile oil. Generally not used in vegetable preparation. When boiling rice, milchad to avoid bad odor. Can store in dried form like curry leaves. 19. Lemongrass, Syrah, type of grass with strong flavor. Fleshly lower part of the plant is used. Dry or fresh form, small pieces used for meat and some fish curries. Not used for vegetable curries except Sini sambal. Dried and used to keep weevils and pests away from the rice. Can dried and stored. In India used in place of tea. 20. Red onion, ratu lunu. Small reddish onion, used for pickle, mojas and Sini sambal. As it contain less amount of water and dry up easily, can keep for a period of time. Used in small amounts other than other onion. Slice and use. Give more pronounced and richer flavor than other onion. Note, more prefer to have bomb onion as it is easy to clean, chop and cheaper. 21. Madras onion. Size small lime. Strong in flavor, deep magenta color. Used in pickle, fresh salad, all type of curries. Less quantity is used than bomb onion. 22. Bombay onion. Two varieties. 1. Bombay onion. Pink in color, shape of flavor than Spanish onion. Widely used in curries. 2. Spanish onion. Yellowish color, mild in flavor, used for onion sambal and salads. Used as a thickening agent. 23. Nutmeg. Sidika. Seed from the fruit of nutmeg tree. Seed is enclosed with brittle shell. Greater and used for sweetmeats than curries. Meat or fish curry to improve flavor. Store in the airtight container. To prevent mildew. Outer fleshy part or pericarp resemble the apricot and make excellent jam. As it contain pectin. 24. Mace. Wasawasi. Red color lacy structure outer side of brittle shell of nutmeg. Used for the medicine than in curries. Certain meat and fish curries, sweetmeats. Some powdered form used in puddings. 25. Aromatic ginger, agurupuli. Used only special preparation only. It is a rhizome, cured, sliced sun-dried like a ginger. Used in meat and certain rice preparation due to its fine aromatic flavor. Mild and pungent taste, slightly roasted powdered added to pork curry. Sometimes used along with cinnamon, cardamom, cloves. In spicy tea, used in chew beetle. 26. Mint, minchi. More used in sambal and meat preparation than vegetable and fish preparation. Mint sambal accompaniment for biryani rice. 27. Parsley. Not extensively used in curry making. Chopped and add to fish and meat curry in place of coriander and fennel leaves. Garnish for savory rice. Fried or fresh form. 28. Celery. Celery. Not extensively used in curry making. Use same as parsley. 29. Fennel. Nahadoru injuru. Hair-like leaf similar to dill leaf. Used to flavoring liqueur and sweetmeats. Used for fish curries and ground sambal. Have very mild and subtle flavor. 30. Peppers. Berries of climbing vein grown in Sri Lanka. Green and when mature, when ripe and yellow and red. 2 varieties. 1. Black. Used for curries. 2. White. 1. Black pepper. Peppercorn sun-dried after harvesting. Penetrating aromatic odor. High in pungency. Used in place of chilies or combination with chili. Low in cost and freely available in market. 2. White pepper. Peppercorn soak in stagnant water for 2 to 3 days until ote pericarp become rotting. Remove outer pericarp, wash and sun-dried. Red in cooking due to its high cost. Not freely available in market. White pepper tastes best when freshly ground or crushed prior to use. It is not so pungent. Next video is coming to you soon. Look forward. Subscribe to this channel and like and comment your idea if you like the video. Thank you for watching.